My husband is waiting for me.
Let him wait,
You're my boss.
and you love it.
This never happened.
See you tomorrow, Rasuda.
Alright, so the last video I uploaded on AI Fruits TikToks, most of you guys were wondering how you can create these kind of videos for absolutely free. That means without spending a single dime, you can literally create these videos with the help of free AI tools. So today in this video, I'm going to show you the complete entire process. You can create these kind of viral AI Fruit TikToks without wasting any money. So yeah, without further ado, you guys, let's just go ahead and jump right into it. All right, so first of all, you're going to jump into this TikTok. So as you guys can see, this guy has only uploaded like 15 to 20 TikToks and it has already gained like more than 200,000 followers, which is literally insane. So from here, what we're going to do is we're going to pick just one video which has gone really viral, and I'm going to go ahead and try to recreate this, but this time with my own characters so that we can stand by and have our own story and own character. So I'm going to go ahead and take this video of him.
My husband is waiting for me.
And from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and take a screenshot of this video. But don't worry, you guys, we're going to go ahead and recreate this with our own characters, which means instead of strawberry this time, we're going to go ahead and change the girl into peach, like peach fruit. And the boss, we're going to change him like with eggplant. Okay, we're going to go ahead and do our own generations this time. So for that, I'm going to go ahead and jump into ChatGPT, simply paste my screenshot right over here, and then I'm going to say describe these characters and scene in the form of JSON prompt. So the JSON prompt is really important because we'll be generating images and videos in Gemini and Google Veo 3 with free version. I'm not going to be using the pro subscription in this video. I'm going to show you that as well. So we're going to say JSON prompt for creating these in Google Gemini so that I can create these characters but different fruits. So it would be like same kind of render, but girl would be peach instead of strawberry and guy would be eggplant instead of cucumber, and it would be in 9:16 aspect ratio. So then ChatGPT basically provided me this complete JSON prompt that we can go ahead and recreate to just create our own scene. So I'm going to go ahead and copy this, come into Google Gemini, and simply gonna go ahead and paste my prompt right over here. I'm gonna click on submit, and after some time you're gonna notice Google Gemini is gonna load its most powerful model, which is Nano Banana 2, and it's gonna go ahead and create the image for me in just few seconds, you guys. All right, so here we go. This is our final image, and that looks absolutely perfect. Like, you know, initially this was a reference image that we provided to ChatGPT, and instead of the strawberry and cucumber, now we have the peach and the eggplant, and you know, the render looks absolutely perfect. And similarly, just like that, now I'm gonna go back to ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna say, okay, so now give me series of prompt for text to image generation, which will be again JSON for this story. So I provided the complete story to ChatGPT, what I'm looking for, and then ChatGPT is gonna go ahead and provide the scenes for me. So the scene 1 is office confession, scene 2 is Peach returns home, then you know, husband gets suspicious, then you know, night sleep scene, then the nightmare scream and pregnancy reveal, and all the scenes are now with me that I can simply go ahead and copy paste one by one in Google Gemini and create my images first of all. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead, my first scene has already been generated, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the scene 2, come to Google Gemini and paste it right over here, and for that it basically provided me with this scene, and the third scene is this, like the peach girl is gonna come home, and the fourth scene is this, then the fifth scene, then the sixth one, then the seventh, then the eighth, then the ninth, and then the 10th. Okay, so now we have all the scenes ready. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and simply download all of these images from here in Google Gemini, and you guys can see right over here, I am not using the pro version, I am using the free version of Google Gemini right now. And you know, you guys can literally go ahead and create these kind of images as well as videos for absolutely free. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and download all of these images with me one by one. Okay, so once all of my images are downloaded with me, so the next thing is we're gonna jump into Google Flow, and we're gonna go ahead and basically create videos with the help of Google Veo 3, you guys. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to go ahead and upload all of my images inside of Google Flow so that I can create videos of them. So I'm going to simply drag and drop all of my images right over here inside of Google Flow. And the next thing we need to do is we need to go to this video section, click on the video, click on frames to video, make sure you select 9:16 aspect ratio, and I'm gonna choose one in this case because I don't want to waste my generations, because Google Veo 3 provides you 150 free credits. Like I can show you right now. Right now, I just created like 2 videos and I still have 110 AI credits left. So I only use around 2 accounts to create all of my generations, which is really, really good. And first of all, I'm gonna go ahead and simply just drag my first scene right over here inside of frames to video, and then I'm gonna come back to ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna say to ChatGPT, like, now I want the video prompts with dialogues, and then ChatGPT is gonna basically provide me all the prompts as well as now in JSON format, and it would be optimized for Google Veo 3. And yeah, guys, if you want these prompts, I'm gonna totally provide all of these prompts to you down in the description so that you can create your own generations as well very, very easily. So this is our scene 1, then we have scene 2, then scene 3. All of our prompts are ready. So first of all, I'm going to simply copy my first prompt, come into Google Veo 3 and paste it right over here, and then I'm going to click on generate. And similarly, I'm going to go ahead and do for all of the rest of my scenes right over here. Make sure you choose frames to video inside of Google Veo 3, you guys, okay? Okay, so once all of my scenes are done, as I told you guys before, I only use 2 accounts for these generations. And you can basically go ahead and use multiple accounts, like multiple Gmails, to create these videos daily. And Google Veo 3 basically provides you 50 credits daily, okay? So you don't have to worry about the credits, while using Google Veo 3, okay? So once all of my videos are done, I'm simply gonna go ahead and download this one by one. Let me show you one output, like how it turned out.
Boss, he's been taking advantage of me. I don't know what to do anymore.
So yeah, these videos turned out really, really good. I'm gonna simply go ahead and download it. Okay, so once all of my videos are downloaded with me as well, so the next thing we need to do is we're gonna go ahead and edit all of these videos together. So for that, you can use CapCut or any video editor. I'm using Filmora in this case. I simply, just drag all of my clips right over here. Then inside of the timeline, inputted my music, this one,
My boss.
which we also used in our last video as well. So from here, simply need to go ahead and put your clips one by one inside of Filmora. Then I'm gonna go ahead and export my video, and let me show you the final output, you guys, okay?
My boss! He's been taking advantage of me. I don't know what to do anymore.
Hey, what happened? I don't like your boss. Something feels wrong.
I hope you trust me. I just had a lot of work. Oh my god! I'm pregnant! I'm pregnant!
Oh my god! That's amazing news! Wait! What is this? So you were cheating on me the whole time?
So yeah, there you have it, guys. This was the easiest method. Now you can create these viral AI fruit videos for absolutely free without paying for Higgsfield or any AI tool. So this was the complete free process. So yeah, I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions, drop those down in the comments, and I'll make sure to reply every single one of you. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.